Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be teaching how to design an ID card. First, you change your orientation to first change 2.25, then to 3.5. 3.5. Click on OK. This is one of the standard sizes of ID card we use. And then first we draw a rectangle. This is a main rectangle here, as you can see. For it to fit the artboard, press P to centralize. From here, then let's give it a color. Let's see, I want to give it a color blue, and then blue. Cancel this, select it, and then remove the outline here. Then you can use a circle. Let's give the circle, let's change it white. Let's give it an outline. Let's say 2 points. And from inside, let's change it a bit. Let's give it a white outline for it to balance. Then from here, this is a school ID. So basically, we'll leave it in between. And for a school ID, we need pictures to centralize on. For instance, I'll be using my picture. We'll paste inside like this. Just bear with me. And then, for instance, let's power click this inside. Then from this power click, you try to, let's give it a lighter color. This blue, and then we'll double click it. And then from here, press shift page up for it to come up. We'll give it a white color. Let's give it white, and then this one, we'll leave it a bit blurry like this. And then remove the outline of both. Let's remove the outline of the both. 1, 2. Then take inside and power click inside. Readjust it like this. If I'm too fast, you can call my attention. Then from here, select the main artboard, and then let's see the effect which we are trying to create. This is it. Let's reduce it to something bolder. Yes. And then from here, we'll remove the main outline out like this. And the name of the school is Benedict Academy. And this is Benedict Academy. Then Benedict Academy. Montserrat. Our fonts will be using Montserrat. Let's use this Bebas, which is the font we are using. Select it. And then let's use Poppins. Then we'll drag it here, press shift, and we'll drag it down like this. You write, this is section for name. This is a name section. My name is Penda Godwin. And then this Penda Godwin, my designation is creative designer. Then let's readjust. Then let's give it white, for instance. Give it white. Then tracking code tracking ID 0091291. Then I think admission. That is our admission status. Admission status. Active. So right now, from here you can readjust it. Let's readjust to know the design rule like this, and then let's draw a rectangle. Let's give it white, and then let's power click inside. Let's change the color here to black so that it can show. Then remove the outline, touch this white. So what will happen is we want to align this differently so that it will both sync together. So the designations will come one side, the row will come one side. So from here we can, let's remove. I'll be removing this, remove this, remove the tracking ID, remove the admission status. Then from here I'll be removing this, we'll remove this, we'll remove this active. So what's the option to control right, that is. Then this is control L for it to align. Then let's bring this one up, and then we'll bring them together in this way. Control T, balance. So basically you can serve this. And then you have an ID card like this, which you have designed. I think basically if this is your first ID, remove the outline from here, and then let's try to be, then this down one, let's give it this color, and let's change this entire color to a less active, and let's try poppings and see. Okay, no, and it's not bad actually. So for instance, for a newbie, you can just try to test run this, and then we'll have other tutorials on simple ID card designs that are coming up, and then which will be dropping soon. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next class.